It's got not much to do, so we're going to get on one of these big fast boats here. We're going to head over the islands, way over there in the distance, if you can see them. Nusa Penida, it's about 30-kilometre run. It's coming into Nusa Penida now. Okay, we're here. It's off on the dock. And there. See how beautiful and clear the water is. Got me diving gear, so I'll be doing some diving. Tropical paradise. Let's check this out. There's the 3 islands. We're on Nusa Penida, Nusa Chinnigan in the middle, Nusa Lembongan over there. Let's check out how crystal clear the water is. There'll be some good snorkeling, some good diving. Yeah. Stopped here for breakfast, Soto AM. It's like a chicken soup. You get an egg, chicken, vermicelli noodles, veggies, and teapat rice, and a soup. Yeah, mate. It's a good feed. $2 for 2 big bowls of soup. Anyway, we're off exploring the island. Right, so we're heading to a place called Crystal Bay. There's a little island there, it's really good snorkeling, and check it out, see what's happening. Okay, this is Crystal Bay. So all the boats come from the other islands and park here and go snorkel. Nice. Little island out there. Well, anyway, this is T-Rex head or whatever. I think it's supposed to be shaped like a Tyrannosaurus Rex head. Yeah. And look how far down there that beach is, and we're right on the edge with this bodgy little fence here. Wow. Oh, that's the fish. What do you call it? The manta. Is that manta? Over there? Yeah, this one. There's a big school of... Spring the black one is over there. Spring ray there, over there. School of fish and manta rays down there. Yeah. That's alright. Oh, I can see the manta rays over there. Yeah. Oi! Ada makanan pasti. There's a monkey here stealing everyone's food out of their bags. Monkey's come to steal some food. Check that out. Wow. What a beautiful coast. Wow, look at that. Check this out. Look at it, it's just glassed off, no wind. Just beautiful, the whole beach to ourselves. We've got little bungalows here. I'm going to stay in one of these for the night. Check out this, how good's this little bungalow. Sin City for the night. So we've got a fridge, look out, buy some beer, put in the fridge. Bathroom. Nice. Check out that for a view. Yahoo. Restaurant on the beach, great little restaurant on the beach, having lunch. Check out the view from here. Check out that. Snow on for miles. Beautiful.
Charcoal.
What'd you get? What is it? Charcoal burger. And fish and chips. Beautiful. Just hanging out on the front with wifey. Nice. Just sitting on the front. Sucking on a brewski. Just watching this guy up here fishing in the orange boat. He drops his lure and then screams up in his boat and lets his line out, and then he drifts back down as he's winding in, and That's how he does his trolling, I suppose. Anyway, he hasn't been catching nothing. It's the Nusa Penida Road Beach, because there's a road along the beach. This is where we stay in the bungalows. Nice as. Just kicking back for sunset. Having a beer. It's a hard life. This guy's catching beach worms for fishing. Been out charging, eh?
Yeah.
They sprinkle around some sand when the water comes in. The worms pop their head up. If you can see them there.
Shark.
Stopped here on the side of the road. Check out this. How nice is this little beach? All the kids are swimming here. All the little food carts set up along the edge here of an afternoon. I'm going to have some bakso. So this is bakso. It's like a meatball soup. It's got noodles and veggies in it. Yum. What do you reckon, Zane?
No.
Okay, so after lunch, we decided to go for a bit of a snorkel out the front of the bungalows and just relax for the afternoon. Morning sunrise on the islands. Wow, look how red the sky is. Okay, so this island's very, you know, it's never really had that much tourism. And it's sort of untouched, still coconut trees everywhere and beautiful. Okay, so we're up in the mountains now. We're cutting right through the middle of the island over to this famous Instagram spot beach. And yeah, let's check it out. Well, it looks like we're lost in the middle of the jungle and Google Maps keeps sending us different directions to dead ends and dirt roads and whatever. So anyway, we just try and find our way out of the jungle. Yo. Riding for about an hour. Finally come out of the jungle, out of the mountains. And we're apparently coming up to some beach. Now this, we're nearly down to this beach. What's the name of it, really? Atu Beach. And yeah. Alright.
Hello.
Alright, this is, what's it called? Atu Beach or something? Wow, look at it. Look at the stairs down there. It's about 1,000 stairs to get to the bottom. Wow, it's nice down there. Bet there's some good fishing and diving down around there. Wow. Check out this. Wow, look at it down there. This is a little island by the look of it. And there's the coastline. Oh, there's a little beach down the bottom there. I don't think I got the energy to walk all the way down there, but what a beach, beautiful. Wow. Nusa Penida. Beautiful island. Wow, how awesome is this? Anyway, so yeah, we ended up heading back to the bungalows and just relaxing for the afternoon and getting ready to leave the next morning. So far, it's been a really good trip. So these guys have been trolling up and down here all morning for a couple of hours. Looks like they got a bunch of tuna. Go and have a look. Wait, banyak ikan ya? Tuna, semua? About 10 little mac tuna. Little bonito or something, stripies. Yeah. Kemarin ada banyak di sini. Banyak. Yeah. Sini.
Where you come from?
Australia. We're going to head back soon on the boat. Probably lunchtime. Been over here for 3 days. It's been a good trip. So I'm going to come back in about, I don't know, Wednesday or Thursday in a few days' time. Bring my boat over and have a troll up and down here, see if I can get some tuna. And yeah. Anyway, we're moving. There's about 20 extra people on it, we should be on it.